Hi, I'm Thatch Wynn, founder of Thatch Real Estate Group. Today I just got a phone call from one of my buyers, and he said, "Hey Thatch, I want to buy a new home, and can you actually find all those bank-owned property? Because I hear those are the best deal." So let me give you my opinion, okay? Bank-owned property ain't the best deal out there because a bank is no different than a seller. When they list their property, they want to list it for top market value. So really the best deal is just keep your eye on the market and see what seller who is more motivated and more distressed. Those are the deals. So bank, right, they ain't distressed. I mean, they are basically bank owned, but they listed at market value and they got more money than most sellers, so they don't need to sell it right away. I had made offer on bank owned deal and they come down $5,000. The house is worth like 30, 40, 50 grand lower. So ain't the best deal. So I wanted to let people know that. So best deal out there when you just keep your eye open. So like when I represent my client, I just keep my eye open what I think is a good deal. And it could be a divorce situation, it can be an estate situation, it can be any situation. But a lot of time it ain't bank owned, folks. So that's my tip for you guys. All right. So have a great day. And remember, always dream big and serve unconditionally. Talk to you soon.